What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, and today I'm going to give you guys 3 tips about email marketing. As you can see, I'm going to show you guys how you can grow your business and start to generate income using email marketing. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. On this channel, what I do, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and tell you how you can use online to create, wealth, or whether you want to do a life-changing decision, maybe you want to pay some bills, or you want to get out of your 9-to-5 job. All right. So thank you so much for watching this, and I welcome you with open arms. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. So again, today I'm going to be talking about 3 tips about email marketing, how you can make money. And the first thing you want to do, right? Tip number 1, what type of email autoresponder you want to use. So you have to think about exactly what platform you want to use. So there's many different email autoresponders out there. And what an autoresponder is, if you guys don't know what it is, it's basically once you collect the email, your autoresponder is going to send out an automatic email to your list, as we call your customers, your client base, and just to give them a reminder of everything. So yeah, there's multiple different platforms you can use. The first one is you have Aweber, you have GetResponse, you have SendLane, and you also have MailChimp, right? And each one of them, they work differently. It all depends on which one you want to use. I use Aweber. Why? Because I'm an affiliate marketer, and I just like to use it, the functionality and everything. Most people who are probably in Shopify, they always go with MailChimp because Shopify is more of like, a MailChimp style platform. And GetResponse and SendLane, they're basically the same as Aweber. So it all depends on what it is that you're trying to promote, but you definitely want to pick that platform. All right. So once you pick that platform, the second thing you want to do, right, you want to set up a follow-up sequence. And what a follow-up sequence is a list of different emails that you want to go out every single day. Now, do keep in mind, and I always tell people this, when you're collecting people's email, you have to inform them and let them know how often you're going to be emailing them and what do they need to expect. So you give them that on, maybe on your first email, or when you're collecting their email through either blogging or through YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever it is, right? So at least give them a fair warning so they know that, hey, this is what I'm going to provide. I'm going to provide content. I'm going to keep you updated and let you know exactly what to expect. And always tell them, hey, you can unsubscribe if you want. And for those of you who have an email list, don't worry about unsubscribe when people unsubscribe. That is normal. Maybe they just don't, what you're trying to offer, they don't like. So just keep them posted, keep them engaged, and all that stuff. So the next thing you want to do, right, once you build a follow-up sequence, right, once you build a follow-up sequence, I'm going to write some tips right here that you guys can use, right? So once you do a follow-up sequence is a series of email that's going to go out, right? So you're going to have your welcome email. In your welcome email, right? So in your welcome email, you always want to tell them what is it that you are doing, right? That's how I set up mine, and it's been working perfectly, right? That's how I set it up. The next thing you want to do, right, after the welcome email, what I normally do is I share my story. Why am I doing this? Why I started this? And just be open with them, because most of your subscribers want to know a little bit more about you. So I give them my story. I tell them exactly, why I started, why am I doing this? And there's nothing wrong with sharing your story, right? And always give a call to action at the end to let them know exactly, hey, this is what, this is what's been working for me. So you always want to lay it out, and you always want to prepare ahead. So yeah, you definitely want to do those things, right? Have an email follow-up sequence. How long should it be? It really doesn't matter. Some people do it for 7 days, some people do it for 30 days, some people do it for a month, right? It all depends on what it is that you're trying to get your people on your list. So just keep them engaged, keep them current, keep them active, and let them know. All right? You definitely got to let them know. And always refer back to your social media, such as like your Instagram, right? Your Facebook, right? And just always so they can reach out to you, because some people just want to see, your life and how you're living, right? The power of email, a lot of people think that email list is dead, right? I've made a ton of money through email. Why? Because not everybody is ready to buy or be involved in what you're doing. So after a while, when they get email sequences, because guess what? Some people's lives are busy. Sometimes people are actually doing other things and they don't have time to actually, start what you're doing right now. There's people probably going through a lot of things. So if you consistently follow up with them, then eventually they're going to be clicking on the link because you build that solid relationship. Because guess what? People like to do business with someone who they like, know, and trust. Some of you guys probably hear this before, but it's absolutely true, right? And let me use this analogy, right? If you're going on dating, what are you going to date, a guy or a girl? You're not just going to go up to them and be like, hey, can I have your number? No, they're not going to give it to you, right? So you definitely want to, build that relationship over time with your list as well. And that's how it is. All right. Tip number 3. This is the final tip that I'm going to give you guys. You have to, and you must be consistently sending emails. So if your customers expect an email every Wednesday, you better make sure you send an email every Wednesday. If they are receiving or expecting an email from you every single day, make sure you do it every single day. So you have to prepare ahead. Think about exactly what it is that you're trying to provide to your list. And the good thing, what I like about email marketing, you own that list. That list is for you. So it doesn't matter where you go. That is your list. You don't own Google. You don't own YouTube. You don't own Instagram. All these social media accounts, yeah, they're great. You can get a lot of leads and you can always build that relationship, right, outside of the email. But there's nothing more powerful than the email. Majority of the people on my social media account came from my email list. Why? Because I collected the email and I build and build trust with them. So I said, hey, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on my Facebook page. So I build that connection, and over time, people just do business with me. So I hope these tips help you guys, and just go out there and just start crushing it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Peace.